Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing this jewelry illustration. Now quickly moving to the product I've used. All product links are given in the description, you can check it out. Let's start with the video now. The paper I used here is the Brustro watercolor paper, which is 300 GSM hot pressed 10 into 14 centimeter in size, very small palm size paper. And this is the complete time-lapse video on how I did the drawing freehandedly, as many of you have requested to add the drawing part in every of my tutorial. So here it is. And also, if you guys have any more suggestions, queries regarding my tutorials or my workshop, you can DM me on Instagram, which is braided.art. I have provided the social media handle links in the description, or I'll just pin comment it. It will be more easier. I just simply start with a freehand sketch and then with watercolor, acrylics and sketches. Here I'll be doing this watercolor illustration using Camel Watercolor tubes in the shades I mentioned, as well as the paintbrush sizes to avoid any confusions. I always start first with the gold foils by choosing a warm neutral tone shade, and shouldn't be that much bright like a lemon yellow color. Okay, and make sure you use a small fine tip brush while making these kind of illustrations. Now I used a little bit of permanent orange shade to add a little more effect on our gold foil. I use this emerald green shade for coloring some kundan stones. I wanted to give a ombre effect on stones, so I mixed some lemon yellow into the emerald green shade and used it. We are done with coloring stones in gold foils. Jumping on the kundan part, I'll be using this diluted paint as a shade. If you're wondering what diluted color means, let me tell you, just add a few drops of water to the color. It becomes diluted, so that's it. So here I'll be filling the gaps black color to make this whole kundan stones look more realistic. After filling, I used a little bit of burnt umber shade on stones to make them look more precise. Also, I used this Rehtard Miniature brush and the size is 000. Giving some brown shade definitely changed the overall look of this illustration. It looks so accurate, like a real jewelry piece. Again, I'll be using some black color to fill and give a little bit of shading in between those stones. Lastly, I use this white color for highlighting these stones. I wanted to use a white pen, but it seems to be running out of ink, so I need to buy them. I hope you really like this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with the very next video. Till then, bye, take care and thank you so much for watching.